Hi, honey.
Hi.
Happy birthday, honey. What's all that? What's all that? Where'd they come from? Huh? Where'd all those come from? Look, babe. Wow.
Wow.
Wow. You got a lot of balloons. Whose birthday is it? Hmm? Whose birthday is today? Yaya birthday. Today Yaya birthday. Today Yaya birthday. Look at your balloons, babe. Wow.
Wow.
Wow. Look at all your balloons. You like them?
Yeah.
Yeah? What are you going to do with them? Hmm?
Oh, Daddy.
What are you going to do with all of these? Hey, you woke up. You know what?
Yeah.
Your breath stinks.
Yeah.
You got halitosis. You got halitosis. Halitosis.
No.
Yes, you do. Hey. Yeah, put on your birthday crown. Come on, I'll put it on for you. Let me put it on. You want to put it on? Come. Let's put it on. Okay, I'll put it on. You like it? How's it look? Hmm? It looks good on me? It looks good on me or it looks good on you?
Yeah.
Hmm. Wow, look at all your balloons, honey. I like. So the balloon fairy came and gave you all these balloons, huh?
Yes.
She came and gave you these balloons for your birthday, huh? Say thank you. I can't hear you. Say thank you. Huh? Thank you. Say thank you. Say bye-bye. Wave bye-bye. 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 Little kiss. Look. Bye-bye.